Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to very quickly come on and show you this really super gorgeous happy mail that I received yesterday from Laura. So she just is the most generous person and has sent me so much gorgeous things over the last few months that I just feel really, really blessed. So thank you so much, Laura. Really, I haven't ever kind of come across kindness like it. It's just so generous of you. So thank you very much. As you can see, she has sent me loads of this crochet trim. And if you watch any of my process videos or, you know, even my completed kind of journals and things, I love this crochet trim and I really, use it and use it. And then obviously it kind of starts running out and I stop using it and become really stingy with it. So this is amazing. So I absolutely love it. It coffee dyes. Actually, no, sorry, that's a lie. I haven't tried coffee dye on it. It distress inks really brilliantly. And it just looks great. Whatever you kind of hold it against, it looks lovely. So I really, really thank you for that, Laura. It's really generous of you. And then inside this gorgeous tissue paper, she's sent me a whole bunch of lovely things. So she's done all these gorgeous paper clips that are so lovely and so different and so unusual. I mean, I love this one, don't you? Absolutely gorgeous. I love the colours and I love all these fibres that she's used. I can't seem to get on with fibres. I think it's because I'm quite a clumsy person. I can't seem to kind of, you know, they're obviously, you have to work quite delicately with them and my hands don't work kind of like that. But really, really, really love them. And she's put here, paper clips are like potato chips. You can't just have one. I love that. I wonder whether she made that up or whether that's actually something, I'm not sure, but really love that. So thank you very much. I would definitely be using them and actually probably not using them because I tend to just hoard things, you know, when I have been sent things, but certainly copying them, you know, using them as inspiration. And then she sent me this gorgeous crochet trim stuff. It's kind of like a doily, but it's not, if you see what I mean. So it's this gorgeous whole length of this well, crochet piece. I don't know whether it would have been a collar maybe on something, I'm not sure, but it's really lovely. And obviously when you kind of look at it, it's got all these little flowers that are just perfect for chopping them off and using them as tiny flowers in things. And then you could use these as tabs for tags and things. So very excited by that. And then obviously this gorgeous lace, and I quite like having the wide pieces of lace as well because I just think they work really perfectly underneath things, you know, kind of on journals. So thank you very much for that. She sent me some of this gorgeous fabric, which I'm sure she sent me some of this before, but it's, you know, again, really yummy and really, really nice. So that's really great. She sent me a lovely card, which she obviously had made, which I thought was just gorgeous. And look at this. Isn't this lovely? It's a kind of like a well, like a tag kind of paper. It's kind of like a massive tag. It was attached by the paperclip. I actually thought it was attached to the paperclip, if you see what I mean. So I love the paperclip with the boots, with the diamond trim. That's just awesome. Really love it. And the paper, the tag itself is just gorgeous. So I love that. And love the way it's, you know, held together like that, looking like it's all one piece. I just think that's really, really nice. So I'm not going to fiddle around with it here because I might damage it. But so I'm loving that. Then she sent me a whole bunch of gorgeous tags here. So here, I think this is kind of some of my laminated kind of pockets that I've kind of done before. So that's really exciting and looks really cool on this. Just, yeah, really, really, really nice. So love how that looks, love the colours. These tags, they're really, really nice. I love this one, really gorgeous. This is one of my little printables and it was so exciting to see it because, I don't know, something just exciting about seeing something you've created that somebody else, how they've used it. So I love the way she used it with this gorgeous yellow seam binding. And the just stitching down the side. I just think that looks lovely. And then she's got obviously these couple, which are really, really nice. This one's got a kind of belly band, looks lovely. And then a couple of clusters as well. So again, all this will probably just go in my hoarding pile that I would just pull out from time to time and look at, but won't actually use, because that's what I seem to do. But then she was so generous, and she sent me these gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous books, which just absolutely loved. So she sent me this one of Paddington Bear, and look at these gorgeous pictures. Aren't they lovely? Just, yeah, just really lovely pictures. So I love that one. And then these are those little golden books, which we don't seem to get these here, or if we do, I haven't really seen them. But again, they just have the most colourful, lovely pictures in them, which just, oh, they're such fun. I just really love them. They're a little bit like our Ladybird books that we get here, which have kind of similar, you know, bright, colourful, nice pictures. But these are just, yeah, really, really lovely. So I felt so excited when I obviously looked through and saw all these lovely pictures. Just yummy, colourful goodness. And then here, there's this one of Black Beauty. So lovely book, again, gorgeous, gorgeous book. And it's got the most lovely images, kind of, you know, all looks very Victorian and just, yeah, really, really nice. And obviously the text is also lovely in this book. So just a really, really nice book. So I just really love that. And just wanted to say a massive, massive thank you, because just, yeah, so, so generous. So thank you ever so much, Laura. That's just so, so kind of you. Again, you know, I just, well, overwhelmed completely by your generosity. So thank you very, very much. So thank you ever so much, Laura. I really, really, really appreciate this. And yeah, thank you very much. So I hope everyone has a lovely rest of the day, and thanks for watching, and see you soon. Thanks, Em. Bye.